Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion effectively. First, let's set up your workspace. You can create a brand new one or join an existing team's space. The sidebar is your command center for navigating all your pages and projects. Don't be afraid to explore. You can begin with a completely blank page or jumpstart your efforts by selecting from hundreds of pre-designed templates. It's all about finding what works best for you. Next, we'll dive into the core of Notion, pages and databases. Think of pages as your digital canvases, where you can write, plan, and store anything. Databases are incredibly powerful for organizing structured information, allowing you to add properties like due dates, tags, and assign members. By linking these elements, you can build sophisticated systems for project management, content creation, and much more. It's truly transformative. Now, let's talk about making Notion truly yours through templates and customization. Notion offers a vast library of pre-built templates for almost any use case, from personal planners to team wikis, saving you valuable time. You can also personalize every page with custom icons, cover images, and flexible layouts. Even better, create your own templates for tasks you repeat often, ensuring consistency and efficiency across all your work. It's incredibly versatile. Finally, let's explore some advanced features and best practices to elevate your Notion experience. Leverage linked databases and relations to connect information across your workspace, creating a truly integrated system. Use filters and sorts to quickly find and focus on exactly what you need, whether it's tasks due this week or projects for a specific client. And remember, Notion is fantastic for collaboration. Share pages and work together seamlessly with your team. Happy Notioneering!
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.